Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures in Word. So once you're inside your Microsoft Word, go ahead and click on Insert on the upper left hand side. And right here, you'll have pictures. Click on pictures, then click in from device. So which is the option that says this device. Once you choose that, you'll find your images on your computer. You can find them, you can click on them, and then click on Insert. Once you click on insert, you have it here, and you can choose if you want to move the image around and so forth. If you want to be able to move it around, because currently by when you just add it in, it's locked. As you can see, I can't move it. Just simply look to the upper right once the image is selected, and you'll have this little window here, and it's going to basically give you some options that you can manage the layout. Click on that, and you want to choose the option that basically allows you to be able to move it, and that is because of the wrap. So here you have true, and you also have front of text or wherever. Once you choose one of these, you actually will be able to move the image as you wish. So I'm going to just choose, for example, this one, and right here you can see now that I'll be able to move the image as I want, and I can resize it, and I can do whatever it is that I want. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.